Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the JayLow Folding Kayak Carrier from Yakima. The JayLow has the capability to carry either a single kayak or two kayaks in its stacker position, one in the carrier itself, the other directly on the bar. The JayLow is quick and easy to install on your crossbars. To secure it, turn each of the knobs on the side of the cradle until the clamps are firmly tightened on your bars, and give it a shake to test it out. Anti-rotation adapters are included for folks with round bars. Simply install them on your crossbars first and remove the jaw pads. Then install the JayLow as normal. The JayLow can be locked to your crossbars with Yakima SKS lock cores available for purchase separately. Insert them in place of the plastic plugs that come as standard and lock them up. This will no longer allow the knob to be loosened. With your JayLow installed, fold them down when you don't have kayaks loaded for less drag and wind noise while driving. When you're ready to load a kayak, fold the cradles back up into the loading position. But before loading your kayak, route your tie-down straps through the cradle first like so. Do this for both cradles. Now, you're ready to load your kayak. The JayLow has boarding ramps to assist with loading your kayak on top of your vehicle if needed, or if your vehicle is lower like ours, you can just place the kayak in the cradles. Make sure the kayak is well situated in the cradles before tying it down. You can now begin to bring the straps up and drape them over the kayak like so. Bring the buckle up to the center of the kayak, then route the other end of the strap behind the back of the tower on your crossbars and back up into the buckle. Pull it tight to cinch the strap, and don't forget to tie up any loose ends. Repeat the same steps for the other cradle. With the center of your kayak tied down, don't forget to secure your boat with the supplied bow and stern tie-down straps as well. For vehicles like ours with no tie-down points, Yakima makes hood anchor tie-downs sold separately for a quick and easy tie-down location. These work in multiple different locations on the vehicle, including the trunk, and work great alongside the JayLow to secure your kayak. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima JayLow. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.